If your 2021 Toyota RAV4 refuses to start, don't panic. Let's walk through the most likely culprits together. Statistically, 80% of no-start conditions in these vehicles are caused by a weak battery or bad connections. Before you call a tow truck, we need to systematically isolate the problem. Start with the basics. Check for loose terminals, a dead key fob battery, or a shifter not fully in park. If the electronics flicker, check your battery voltage. Anything below 12.2 volts won't engage the starter. Next, inspect the engine bay fuse box for blown starter or ignition fuses, and check for any broken ground straps. You can easily handle basic electrical resets, but internal starter or computer failures require a professional technician. Repair costs vary wildly. A simple battery replacement is cheap, but major components like the starter or alternator climb quickly. If you're still stuck, use an OBD-I scanner to check for hidden error codes that might explain the ignition lockout. Keep a basic toolkit with a 10mm wrench and a multimeter in your trunk to handle these simple roadside issues. Remember, never attempt to jump start a battery that is physically swollen or leaking, as it poses a major safety risk. Most RAV4 starting issues are manageable, but if you're unsure, consult a pro. Thanks for watching the playbook.